Hello friends, welcome back to Sunday Stories, and in today's story we're going to talk about how a simple thing like self-confidence can change the direction of your life and how public speaking can be used as a tool to gain this self-confidence. Let's go. My name is Deepak Sharma and I'm a professional speaker, public speaking and communication coach. I'm sure you must be enjoying all the stories that I've shared with you till now and all my public speaking and communication tips that I keep on sharing on this channel. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button below and make sure don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get to know when I share a video with you. There was a business executive deep in debt but could see no way out. Creditors were closing in on him and suppliers were demanding payments. He was even finding difficult to pay salaries and rent of his office. One day he sat on a bench in a park, heads in his hand and thinking, is there something that could save his company from bankruptcy? Suddenly an old man appeared and said, "Hey, I see something is troubling you." After listening to the executive voice, the old man said, "I think I can help you." He asked his name, wrote a check to him and pushed the check into his hands and said, "Listen, meet me exactly after 1 year here, and at that point of time you can return this money to me." Then he turned and disappeared as swiftly as he had come. The business executive saw the check in his hand, a check of $500,000 signed by John D. Rockefeller, the richest man of the world. His eyes were bright and I can erase all my worries with this check. But instead the executive decided to keep the check in the safe, just knowing that this check will give him a strength to work out a way to save his business. With renewed optimism, the executive signed many big deals, started extending terms of payment, and within few months he was back in the business. And he was happy that he was making money again and he was out of the debt. Exactly after 1 year, he turned back to the park with that uncashed check. At the agreed upon time, the old man appeared. But just as the executive was about to hand over that uncashed check to the old man and share his success story, a nurse came running behind that old man and grabbed him. "I'm so glad that I caught him. I hope he hasn't been bothering you too much." Often he escaped from the rest home and started telling people that he is John D. Rockefeller. And then she led old man away by the arm. The astonished executive, stunned, stood there in silence and thinking, the whole year he has been wheeling and dealing, buying and selling, and doing all kinds of things to take his business to next level, just by thinking that he has $500,000 with him. Suddenly he realized that it was not money, real or imagined, that made everything possible, but it was his newfound self-confidence that made him successful in everything that he went after. Don't you think self-confidence is a magical thing? I have experienced that in my life. First, let's understand what does self-confidence does to us. Number one, it allows us to take risks. Calculated risks. Ships are made to sail, not to stay on the harbor. So take risks. Even if you fail, you will gain some confidence. Second thing, it allows you to push out of your comfort zone. There is either success or comfort zone. There is nothing called failure. We keep on doing same thing again and again and expecting different results. You know why? Because we are in comfort zone and we are not confident about doing new thing. But when we have self-confidence, every day we'll have that fire to try something new. And when you try something new, you will find there's a spark in that self-confidence. But if you don't have confidence, you will never try something new. So my friends, your new confidence can literally allow you to step out of your comfort zone. I'll give you my example. At the age of 48, last year in 2019, I burned all my boats and sailed to America. Without having any job in my hand, without having any opportunity in my hand. I left my job, I closed my business, I sold my house. That's why I said, burnt all boats. The only thing I carried with me was my confidence. And in the last 1 year, I'm not doing bad. I'm still on this new journey or creating my new comfort zone. But I'm happy that I have been able to push myself at the age of 48 to create new comfort zone. It can only happen because that confidence. Third thing is, it will help you build your self-esteem. Many times we experience lows in life, and every person have their own challenges and their own lows. We get that feeling of inadequacy, self-doubt many times. That's okay. Apart from these crazy times of COVID-19, we are also going through our personal challenges. I understand. But with newfound self-esteem, because of your confidence, you will stop doubting your capabilities. You will always look for opportunities during adversities. These are the three things that confidence can bring into your life. It allows you to take risks, it pushes you out of your comfort zone, and it builds your self-esteem. Let's look at now how public speaking can be used as a tool to build your self-confidence. Again, three things. The first thing is, it helps you to conquer your fear. Conquer your fear of the stage. When you keep on going on the stage again and again and creating mess, every time you go on the stage, you conquer your fear. My only suggestion is, when you go on the stage, never tell yourself that I will not come back on the stage, because I have done that mistake and I delayed my growth by 6 months. Even if you are messing up on the stage, no worries, because mess up is important. Mess up is part of this journey, and slowly you will see, you will be able to conquer your fear. Suddenly you will feel that you are able to speak in front of 5 people. If you can speak in front of 5 people, you can speak in front of 10, 20, 30. So friends, look for stage all around. Whenever you get an opportunity, be it in front of 1 person, 2 people, 20 people, 30 people, go and conquer your fear with public speaking, and you will gain your confidence. Second thing, communicating your message. When you learn public speaking, you will be able to express your thoughts, your opinions, your ideas in different forums, in different meetings with a lot of confidence. As soon as you start sharing your ideas, you will see people will start accepting those ideas. People will start listening to you. And as soon as people will start listening to you and your ideas and your thoughts are accepted in a group of people, you will feel on the top of the world. You come home and say, oh my God, I gave this idea and my boss accepted that idea, and that idea was implemented and it did magic. But if you are not confident, you will never speak in front of people, even if you have a great idea. Public speaking helps you to communicate your ideas, thoughts, and opinion. And the third and the most important thing is, when you start your journey of public speaking and when you enjoy public speaking, what you do, you start telling people and encouraging them with positive words to come and start doing public speaking. Even if one person starts their journey of public speaking because you said it and they become successful, you will feel that you have created some impact in somebody's life, and your confidence goes up like anything, and you start impacting many more lives. Since I have been speaking in front of so many people and I become a trainer, I don't know how many people I have supported in my journey of public speaking and communication to become a trainer. And I feel confident because of that. I feel blessed that I am able to do that. The world is looking for people like you. The world is looking for people who are ready to help, because we need more noble souls and public speaking has given that opportunity to you to take it to others so that they can express their ideas, their thoughts, their feelings to people around the world. It's a joy to bring sunshine in somebody's life. Let us lift the curtains and let the light spread of public speaking in people's mind, because there are so many people around who are waiting to be heard. They have their stories, they have their thoughts, but they cannot express. So more people you help, your confidence will go up. If you are already on this journey of public speaking, go and help more and more people, encourage others, motivate others, mentor others. Or if you are still thinking that you have to start your journey of public speaking, come with us. And we will hold your hand and take you on this journey of public speaking. We will make public speaking a new comfort zone for you. At whatever age you are, remember, growth never stops. Learning never stops. Every human being is a work in progress. I hope you like this story and the learning from this story. Please subscribe to the channel and do write in the comments what did you like about this story. See you next week. Till then, keep sharing, keep communicating, keep leading and keep serving.